Have a blessed day, everyone. This is Richard Devera. I'm here to discuss about the parts of the cells and their functions. First, we have to define what is cell. Cell is the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all non-living organisms. There are two types of cell, the eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell contains membrane-bound organelles such as nucleus, mitochondria, and an endoplasmic reticulum. Organisms based on the eukaryotic cell include protozoa, fungi, plants, and animals. They are larger and more complex than prokaryotic cells found in domains, archaea, and bacteria. Eukaryotic cells contain a variety of structures called organelles, which performs various functions within the cell. The parts of a eukaryotic cell. The first part of the eukaryotic cell we are going to discuss is the nucleus, a membrane-bound structure that contains the cell's hereditary information and controls the cell's growth and reproduction. The second one is the endoplasmic reticulum. There are two kinds of endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is primarily concerned with the synthesis, folding, and modification of proteins, especially those that need to be delivered to different organelles within secreted from the cell. And the second one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is largely associated with lipid or fat manufacture and metabolism and steroid production, hormone production. It also has a detoxification function. The Golgi apparatus. It receives biochemical in a bulk flow from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is the only organelle in the cell that receives, sorts, modifies, concentrates, packs, and dispatches biochemical produced inside and outside the cell. The plasma or the cell membrane is the boundary between the cell and its environment. It regulates what enters and exits the cell. Microtubules are involved in mitosis, cell motility, intracellular transport, maintenance of cell shape, and keep organelles in place. Centrosomes, the main place where cell microtubules are organized. Organizing changes to the shape of the cell membrane that allow the membrane to pinch into during cell division. Ribosome serve as the site of biological protein synthesis. They link together specific amino acids to form polypeptides and export these to the cytoplasm. Lysosomes. They digest, excess, or worm out organelles, food particles, and engulf viruses or bacteria. They are like the stomach of the cell, which are involved in digestion and waste removal. Cytoplasm, mainly composed of water, salts, and proteins. A framework of protein scaffolds called the cytoskeleton provides the cytoplasm and the cell with their structure. Mitochondria, referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. They help turn the energy we take from food into energy that the cell can use. They are the calcium storage. Cilia, a microtubule-based organelles that project from the surface of cell and serve both motil and sensory functions. Flagellum is a whip-like structure that acts primarily as an organelle of locomotion in the cell of many living organisms. Microfilament. They have roles in cell movement, muscles construction, and cell division. To make a cell move, one end of the actin filament stretches out while the other end pulls itself in tighter. So that's the eukaryotic cell. Now we are going what is prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are single-celled microorganisms known to be the earliest on Earth. Prokaryotes include bacteria and archaea. A prokaryotic cell consists of a single membrane, and therefore all the reactions occur within the cytoplasm. They can be free living or parasites. They lack certain organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi bodies. So now we are going to tackle about the parts of prokaryotic cell. Parts of the prokaryotic cell is capsule. It is an outer protective covering found in the bacterial cells in addition to the cell wall. It helps in moisture retention, protects the cell when engulfed, and helps in the attachment of cells to nutrients and surfaces. Cell wall is the outermost layer of the cell which gives shape to the cell. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is mainly composed of enzymes, salts, cell organelles, and is a gel-like component. Cell membrane. This layer surrounds the cytoplasm and regulates the entry and exit of substance in the cells. Pili. These are hair-like outgrowths that attach to the surface of other bacterial cells. Flagella. These are long structures in the form of a whip that help in the locomotion of a cell. Ribosomes. These are involved in protein synthesis. Plasmids are non-chromosal DNA structure. These are not involved in reproduction. Nucleus region. It is the region in the cytoplasm where the genetic material is present. So that's it, everyone. I hope you learned from our topic. See you, everyone. Have a blessed day. Thank you.